Hey everybody, this is Rachna Sharma and you are watching Food Tech Geeks where we talk about food science and technology. So this video is for all the students who are looking for books for their food technology curriculum. So in this video, I will be talking about a few books which are very important for any food technology student. You are either at your bachelor's or master's preparing for any entrance exam or competitive exam. These books will prove very beneficial to you all. So I will suggest that a food technology student must have these books. And if you are interested in buying these books, you can check out the description box. I have given all the links of these books. So let's start the video. The first and the most important book for food technology is Food Science by Norman N. Potter. This book makes the foundation of food technology. So if you want to make your basics clear and to understand each and every concept of food technology, you should refer this book. It is also proved to be very important for competitive exams as it will make your base very strong. So I will prefer that each and every student of food technology at any stage of their curriculum should refer this book. The second most important book is Food Facts and Principles by N. Shakuntala Mane. The best thing about this book is its language. It is quite easy as compared to other books, and also it contains all the facts and principles of various technologies and techniques of food technology. So this will make your understanding much more better. So this book is very important. The next book is Food Science by Sri Lakshmi. There is also one book by Sri Lakshmi, that is Food Nutrition. And these both books are very important as they give most of the common facts and principles and the basics concepts of food technology. So this book is also a very good book. After this, the important book is Outlines of Dairy Technology by Sukumar Day. So it will be not wrong if I say that it is an encyclopedia for dairy technology. Why? Because it contains all the related concepts, theories, and numericals of dairy technology. And after going through this book, I don't think that you will need any other book to refer for dairy technology. So this is a very good book for dairy technology. Each and every concept of dairy technology are clearly explained in this book. So this is a very good book for dairy technology. The next book is for microbiology, that is Food Microbiology by William C. Frazier. Students who are not having biology in 12th class face a little bit problem when they come in their bachelor's with food technology. So this book will help you a lot in making your concepts more clearer and crisper in food microbiology. This book contains all aspects of food microbiology like food contamination, fermentation, food hazards, foodborne diseases. So it will cover all the points. So the students who want to have a better understanding and to make their food microbiology strong cannot ignore this book. So this book is very good for microbiology. The next book is Introduction to Food Engineering by R. Paul Singh and Dennis R. Heldman. And this book is very important for food engineering. The best part of this book is that it contains the topic in very detail. Like you will get the details of a topic from basics to its advanced level. So you can go through the topic according to your syllabus, and also it gives a good number of numericals of all the topics, so you can have a better preparation of the numericals also. However, a few students can find its language difficult, but there is a solution to that problem as R. Paul Singh sir and Dennis R. Heldman sir have their channel in which they upload videos in a very easy language. So you can refer to those also. The next and the last one is Objective Food Science by Sanjeev Kumar Sharma. So this book will brush up your preparations. Like once you have gone through the basic books and the concepts from the other books, then you can check out your preparation by attempting the multiple choice questions from this book. The best part of this book is that it has individual dedicated sections to every domain of food technology. For example, it has thousands of numericals on each and every subject like food microbiology, food preservation, and food engineering, food packaging, and spices and plantation crops, seeds and legumes. So it contains maximum number of MCQs for each and every subject of food technology. And also it contains previous year question papers of various entrance and competitive exams, including GATE, CFTRI, ICR, BHU entrance exam, and many more. So this book is very important for all those preparing for their any entrance or a competitive exam. So this was a complete list of the books which a food technology student must have. And if you are interested in buying any of these books, you can check out them in the description box. And if you feel this video as an important video, please like it and comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates so that they can also be benefited. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And let's have a target of completing 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year 2020. I need your support in achieving this target. So please subscribe to my channel and share it more with your friends. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.